These two boxes showed up at my place. I didn't order anything. I think the box is too big to be a bomb. Well, it should be good to go. The second running. Ran the engine for I think an hour or 15 minutes. The first time I started it for the break-in. Then I ran it again the second time for like 45 minutes. And now getting ready to fire it up for the third time, but I'm going to remove the oil filter and install a new oil filter and then run it. I like to do that just to get rid of all the contaminants that caught anything during break-in. And I got the battery on charge. Charge it back up. The beans that ran without the alternator actually hooked to anything. It's just there to run the belt to turn the fan. But once you get the new filter on, run it the third time, it should be good to install in the vehicle I'm putting it in. But it's going to be in storage for a little while because I have to install a different rear end in the vehicle, and I still got to build a transmission. And it's either getting a Turbo 400 or a 4L80E. I haven't decided on that yet. I guess I'm going to have to make a decision here shortly, because I need to get moving on this project if I want to go racing this year. Might be fall before I get there, but being as it's been like 95 to 99 degrees lately, it kind of takes the fun out of doing this stuff. So all you end up doing is sweating your butt off. So. Back on the 406 again, getting about done with it. Be running it for the third time, but I probably won't be showing that. There's not really any point to that, unless something catastrophic happens, which I doubt it will. Better not. This will probably be the end of it until I get ready to put it in the vehicle. Hope you enjoyed. Well, that was the third and final running of it on the engine stand. Never got above 180 and it's almost 60 pounds oil pressure constant, so should be good to go. Next time you see this, it should be in the vehicle I'm putting it in. And that'll be a surprise. These two boxes showed up at my place. I didn't order anything. Guess we'll open them up and see what's in it. I think the box is too big to be a bomb, but looks like it's slick. It does have my name on the tag. I never ordered anything. Got an idea who might sent these. Since I've been doing some videos, one of my subscribers, I believe, has been talking trash about my vehicle, so I think he wants to race for some money. This must be some motivation to get me to the track. I think it might be the Monza man. He's always talking trash to me. I'll get a hold of him and see if it was him. I have to put a little wager down on a race. I don't think he's going to win.